Hello everyone, welcome to Aerilab. This video will teach you how to use the Atmosphere Swift feature to turn daytime into nighttime. Let's check it out. Select the Atmosphere Swift tool under the Post-Processing menu and drag or upload your image into the box. Choose your desired atmosphere from the preset templates. Click the one-click transfer button to apply it instantly. You can also turn off the preset templates and upload a style reference image. Here I'm uploading a nighttime reference image and keeping the weight at the default mid-level. You can also enter prompts to assist the generation. After a short wait, the image will be ready. This one was generated using a preset template, and this one was generated using a reference image. Which one do you prefer? Give it a try yourself.